Everyone, welcome to another video, and today another unboxing. Yes, I'm doing a lot of these of late. I've been purchasing a bit. So, as you can see with the title, this one is one from Gaultier, and this is the which one is it? Is it Le Beau? The Le Beau. You can see what the top of the bottle there. I like the Le Beau range. I haven't tried all of them, this one being of course one of them, as this is a blind buy for me. Never smelt it. You know the write-ups and the videos and that say it's like a summery, coconutty kind of thing. I'll go with that. And of course I love the bottle. The bottles I absolutely love. They're probably my favourite bottles when it comes to fragrances. I love just the look of the Le Beau bottles, especially these ones, the see-through like ones, proper glassware. Very nice. So it is sealed, just to prove that I haven't unboxed it yet. So, had this come today being Wednesday, so I'll probably put this up today or tomorrow, the video, because I've got a few videos already recorded, well, one recorded for the weekend. So let's get this off somehow. Yeah, it's always fun watching people trying to open these. That's why nobody does it on camera. Ooh, oh, look at that. Look at that for a bottle. Reminds me of the La Parfum, which I had many years ago. I wish I still had that. I finished it, so. But yeah, really reminds me of the Le Parfum. Just a little difference. Juice colour's almost the same, but very nice. Lovely. So, first try and impressions of Le Beau. Let's see, it's been out what, a few years now, I think, and it's had some good reviews. You know, like most people seem to like it. You know, in a nice summery sort of scent. It doesn't look like a summery scent, really, does it? Not really. So, nothing on this hand. Why not? Ooh, okay. So it has a little bit of the Le Beau DNA, straight off the top at least. It's a bit of a alcohol. It's got like a booziness to it. It might be just the perfume. Is alcohol is ready to go, and yeah, in the air, nice and nice fresh. It's got a similar vibe to some of these summer editions. I've got a couple of the old summer editions, like a 08 and 010 or something. Not really getting much of the coconutty vibe that people say it's got in there. It's definitely a fresh, something fresh. I can see it's somewhat like yeah. There isn't, to my nose, a coconut, but it is like suntan lotion without the coconut, if you know what I mean. It's got that sort of lotion kind of smell to it. Smells nice. I think it needs a bit of time in the bottle to open up, but definitely getting a good vibe from it. Nice, you can tell it's going to be like a nice light summery scent. Again, like a skin lotion, like a suntan lotion, but one that doesn't have like that strong coconut sort of smell. I might get a coconut smell later on if it opens up in the bottle a bit or develops on my skin in the next half hour, an hour or something. Definitely got a nice lotiony feel with a little bit of the original DNA, but not much. Yeah, it's I think it needs time in the bottle, if I'm perfectly honest. It's not giving out a lot. It's like it needs a bit of oxygen in there, it needs a bit of time. yeah, it's not. It's gone sort of flat. So that's an indication normally that it needs time in the bottle. Impressions when I first sprayed it, before it sort of dwindled away. That was nice. Bit of Le Male, bit of a lotiony feel. Very nice. So I think I'm going to enjoy this one. I like, it's summery scents, and in my eyes, like Jean Paul Gaultier can't really do that wrong. Or any fragrance wrong. Well, in this line at least, for what I've tried. I may find one I don't like. We'll see. I'll see how this one performs in future. I'll probably wear this over the next couple of days. We'll see. But I am particularly wearing all one type. I know I'll put that in the video on the weekend. Keeping to sort of a, not a type, but a timeline, shall we say, and we'll keep it as that. So yes, I'll have a fragrance of the week, the weekend, and there's going to be another video on Saturday. But yeah, so far seems to be okay, and I'm going to wear it at some point very soon. Maybe it's sort of like a wearing for the night and see if it opens up, see if something happens. So anyway, so far I think this is going to be a good one. There is a outer puffer, or a puffer version, whatever it is. So I might get that at some point. I've still got a few Le Males to get for the collection. I like to collect Le Males as well as obviously use them, because I just like the bottles. So now I'm going to stop rambling. Anybody out there who's tried this, what you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Does it need a bit of time in the bottle? Like this one seems it probably does need a bit of time in the bottle, but we'll see. Leave a comment section, I'll answer if I can, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, it will help me out quite a bit, and I'll see you again soon on the next video.